If you're new to everyday carry, the best place to start is with gear that's practical, compact, and built for real life, not bulky or overcomplicated. In this video, we're breaking down the best Minimalist EDC Essentials and pocket tools for 2026, featuring smart everyday items like the Victorinox Swiss Card Classic, the sleek The Ridge Wallet, the versatile KeySmart Rugged, and other compact tools designed to keep you organized, prepared, and efficient wherever you go. Whether you're building your very first EDC kit or looking to simplify what you carry, these 10 essentials offer the perfect balance of functionality, convenience, and minimalist design. Number 1. Last hike, I slipped and cut my palm badly. I had no first aid kit, just panic. The nearest trailhead was miles away, frustratingly far. Every step felt worse, without proper wound care. I kept thinking, why did I pack everything else? Back home, I started searching for a real solution. That's when I found RHINO Rescue online. The name instantly sounded serious, reliable, and professional. Then I noticed how tiny it looked, just 20 grams, yet packed with emergency essentials. That ultralight design completely caught my attention. It fits easily inside any backpack or travel bag. No bulk, no extra weight, no excuse. I wanted something compact enough to carry everywhere. The 79-piece supply list sealed the deal. Bandages, gloves, tape, scissors, and wound care included. Everything needed for cuts, scrapes, burns, and blisters. I loved the durable, water-resistant nylon too. Outdoor gear must survive rain, dirt, and rough handling. This kit felt built for real adventures. Now I throw it into every hike. It solved my biggest problem, being unprepared outdoors. If something happens, I'm ready in seconds. That peace of mind is honestly priceless. It's also perfect for biking, travel, and vehicles. One small kit covers so many unexpected moments. No more hoping someone else has supplies nearby. Wouldn't you rather be prepared before the next trip? Why risk it when this tiny kit exists? Grab yours now and hike smarter, safer, lighter. Number 2. The airport buzzed, and my phone battery dropped fast. I reached for my charger, but the bag was chaos. Cables tangled, power bank buried, time slipping away. Then I found the perfect travel case. A sleek black shell built for Anker magnetic batteries. It fit my 633 power bank like it was made for it. The elastic strap held everything firmly in place. No more sliding, bumping, or damaged charging gear. Inside, a mesh pocket kept my cable neatly separated. My USB-C cord finally had a safe, easy home. The hard EVA shell felt tough, protective, and dependable. Drops, scratches, dust, and splashes suddenly felt less stressful. I slipped it into my backpack, and it disappeared easily. Lightweight design made travel feel cleaner and simpler. The hand strap gave me quick grab-and-go convenience. The backpack hook made outdoor carry even easier. At the gate, I zipped it open smoothly. Everything inside was exactly where I left it. My charger, cable, and accessories were all organized. No scrambling, no mess, no wasted time. This case also fits Anker 622, 621, and 321. It even works with compatible Baseus magnetic power banks. For frequent travelers, that kind of protection matters. For tech users, that kind of order feels premium. For powerbank owners, it brings real peace of mind. One compact case turned my charging setup into travel-ready gear. It protected my battery bank and organized every accessory. Now I leave home confident, prepared, and fully powered. If you want safer, smarter storage, this is it. Get the case and keep your charging essentials ready. Number 3. Looking for a watch that actually turns heads? Meet the Diesel Mega Chief, bold from every angle. Reason 1. Its oversized case makes an instant statement. This isn't subtle. It's confident, loud, and unforgettable. The signature Diesel design screams style without trying too hard. If you like standout accessories, this one delivers. Reason 2. Chronograph performance keeps time with precision. Track moments, workouts, meetings, and daily wins effortlessly. It's practical power wrapped in premium masculine style. You get function that looks as good as it works. Reason 3. The style blends military, denim, and rock energy. That mix gives it a rugged, fashion-forward edge. It pairs easily with streetwear, casual fits, and jackets. Wear it, and your outfit immediately feels more complete. This watch is built for men with real taste. Watch enthusiasts will love the detail and presence. Style-conscious men will appreciate the bold personality. Trendsetters will enjoy wearing something different from everyone else. Diesel doesn't chase trends. It creates its own lane. That attitude is exactly what makes this watch special. The large face makes reading time easy at a glance. The overall look feels modern, tough, and undeniably cool. It works for daily wear and standout occasions alike. If you want a watch with attitude, this is it. If you want precision, it's already covered. If you want style that lasts, Diesel delivers. So why settle for ordinary when you can go bold? Tap in now and make the Mega Chief yours. Upgrade your wrist, upgrade your presence, upgrade your style. Grab yours today before this statement piece sells out. Number 4. Ever dig through pockets for one tiny essential? Keys, pen, flashlight, and tools always end up scattered. For EDC fans, that mess gets old fast. That's where the Maxpedition Platy pocket organizer comes in. It's slim, lightweight, and easy to carry anywhere. The flat profile slips neatly into pants or jackets. No bulky pouch, no awkward pocket bulge. Inside, multiple compartments keep everything sorted cleanly. Flashlight here, multi-tool there, pen right up front. A notebook or small accessories fit without a struggle. The rugged 500D nylon feels tough right away. It's water-resistant too, so daily wear feels worry-free. The genuine YKK zipper opens smooth and reliable. You can feel the quality every time you use it. Need hands-free carry? Clip on the paracord lanyard. Wear it crossbody, around your neck, or on your belt. Prefer pocket carry? Remove the lanyard in seconds. The top webbing loop makes grabbing or hanging simple. It's built for quick access at home or outdoors. The dual grommet system adds even more carry flexibility. Adjust the barrel lock for your preferred setup. Every stitch shows Maxpedition's careful craftsmanship. Double stitching and bar tacking help it handle heavy use. It's lab-tested, field-tested, and trusted by tactical pros. Designed in Los Angeles, it reflects strict quality standards. That's why EDC users and travelers keep choosing Maxpedition. Compact outside, surprisingly organized inside, and ready for anything. If you want smarter everyday carry, this is it. Grab the Maxpedition Platy Pocket Organizer today. Keep your essentials close, secure, and easy to reach. Number 5. Meet the KeySmart Titanium EDC Prybar Multitool. Small enough to disappear into your pocket instantly, yet it adds serious utility to every day. Perfect for campers, DIYers, and EDC enthusiasts alike. Clip it to keys, pack it, or carry it daily. The ultra-compact profile keeps your load light. At just 0.66 ounces, it feels almost weightless, but titanium alloy gives it impressive strength. It stays tough, rust-proof, and ready for action. This is a true 4-in-1 everyday carry tool. Use it as a pry bar for quick fixes. Tighten with the built-in M8 hex wrench. Measure with the integrated 5cm ruler. Open bottles effortlessly wherever the moment calls. Need to lift a staple or scrape a label? The pry tip handles small tasks with ease. It also helps with opening packages and wedging screws. One compact tool replaces several bulky accessories. That means less clutter and more convenience. The hollow-out design improves portability without losing durability. Its ergonomic grip hole makes handling more secure. The red paracord lanyard keeps it within reach. No more digging through bags for the right tool. From campsite repairs to home fixes, it performs. From opening boxes to tightening gear, it delivers. This is practical gear with a premium feel. Compact, reliable, and built for real-world use. Upgrade your carry with smarter everyday utility. Choose the KeySmart Titanium EDC Prybar Multitool. Carry less, solve more, and stay ready anywhere. Number 6. Keys jangling, pockets bulging, and daily carry feels messy. Finding the right key always takes longer than it should. loose keys, scratch phones, wallets, and everything else nearby. And bulky key rings just add more clutter. Meet KeySmart Rugged, the smarter way to carry keys. It turns up to 14 keys into one compact stack. The reinforced body feels tougher from every angle. Thicker plates bring serious durability without extra bulk, so your keys stay organized, silent, and secure. No more pocket noise every time you move. No more scratches from sharp metal edges. Just a clean, minimalist carry that makes sense. The removable pocket clip keeps it easy to grab. The loop adds another, simple, carry option. Use it with car fobs, key rings, and everyday accessories. It adapts to the way you already carry. Need extra utility? It includes a stainless steel bottle opener. That means one tool solves more than one problem. Fewer items in your pocket, more function in hand. For EDC users, that's exactly the point. It looks clean enough for work. It feels rugged enough for weekends outdoors. From commuting to camping, it stays ready. Switching from a bulky keyring feels instantly better. Your keys fold neatly instead of dangling everywhere. Your pocket feels lighter, cleaner, and easier to manage. Add compatible KeySmart accessories for even more utility. Build your own compact everyday carry setup. KeySmart Rugged. Practical design, real durability, everyday convenience. Upgrade your keys now and carry smarter today. Number 7. A lighter pocket can change how a man carries his day. No bulging wallet, no clutter, just calm, quiet confidence. Meet the Ridge Wallet, crafted for simplicity that feels personal. Its slim silhouette slips effortlessly into your front pocket. Every line feels refined, modern, and thoughtfully made. Built from military-grade aluminum, it's made to last. And with a lifetime guarantee, it stays with you. If parts wear out, Ridge replaces them with care, because premium quality should never feel temporary. Inside, your cards stay protected behind RFID blocking aluminum. From busy streets to crowded airports, security travels with you. You can breathe easier knowing your essentials are shielded. The compact frame holds 1 to 12 cards securely. No stretching, no sagging, just a clean, lasting fit. A simple outside notch lets your cards slide out smoothly. Quick access when you need it most. The integrated money clip keeps bills neat and ready. A classic touch for men who value both form and function. It's a small detail that brings everyday ease. At just 1.5 ounces, it feels nearly weightless. Yet it carries the strength of a true everyday companion. Perfect for businessmen who move with purpose. Perfect for travelers who want less in their pockets. Perfect for minimalists who believe less can mean more. From meetings to departures, it keeps life beautifully organized. From cash to cards, everything stays secure and close. The polar white finish adds a clean, modern elegance. A wallet that matches your style and respects your routine. Small enough to disappear, strong enough to rely on. Choose the Ridge Wallet and carry confidence every day. Number 8. Ever tried taking notes when your pen quits unexpectedly? Or writing on site with gloves, only to lose your grip? Maybe the temperature changed, and your ink stopped working. That's frustrating when work, travel, or adventure can't wait. The Fisher Space Pen Clutch is built for exactly this. Its rugged hex grip stays secure, even with thick gloves, so you can write confidently in demanding conditions. The pressurized refill writes smoothly at any angle. Yes, even upside down, without skipping or fading. That means dependable notes wherever your job takes you. From freezing mornings to scorching environments, it keeps performing. It writes in temperatures from -30 to 250 degrees. Rain, grease, or rough surfaces won't slow it down. This is the kind of reliability professionals appreciate daily. Engineers, explorers, and astronauts trust Fisher Space Pens because pressure, precision, and consistency matter in real situations. The compact black design fits easily into pockets. Its durable metal body feels solid without being bulky, so it's ready for work, travel, or outdoor missions. Need a pen for tough tasks and everyday carry? This one delivers performance without asking for special conditions. The medium point black ink writes clean, clear, and controlled. No fuss, no interruptions, just steady writing when needed. It also comes in a premium gift box. making it a smart choice for professionals and enthusiasts. A practical tool with a polished, gift-worthy presentation. Choose the pen designed to handle the unexpected. Choose reliability that works as hard as you do. With Fisher Space Pen, you're always ready to write. Any angle, any temperature, any challenge. Number 9. The storm killed the trail marker, then darkness swallowed everything. My phone light flickered once, then died in my hand. The campsite vanished, and panic hit like cold rain. I thought the night had already won this battle. Then a tiny grey keychain flashed on my backpack. It looked harmless, almost too small to matter. But one press unleashed 500 brutal lumens. A beam cut through rain, mist, and fear. The trail suddenly appeared like a rescued secret. Moonlight mode softened the glare for quiet navigation. Low, medium, high, each level answered instantly. Triple click, and strobe blasted the darkness apart. Its memory function returned to my favorite setting. No fumbling, no guessing, no wasted seconds. Then came the real shock. It was charging fast. USB-C power revived it in just 40 minutes. One charge promised up to 15 hours of light. That meant my night couldn't outlast its battery. I clipped it to my keys and kept moving. Its 15-gram body disappeared into my pocket. The magnetic tail snapped onto metal instantly. Hands-free light for repairs, gear checks, and camp tasks. Rain struck harder, but the flashlight never blinked. IP66 waterproofing held steady through the downpour. Even a drop from the rocks couldn't stop it. This little tool survived the chaos like a veteran. For camping, hiking, and emergencies, it changes everything. Tunage S 11T. Small body, savage brightness, serious reliability. Carry it before darkness decides for you. Get yours now and own the night. Number 10. Tired of bulky tools weighing down your wallet? Meet the Victorinox Swiss Card Classic, a compact multi-tool built for everyday readiness. Slip it into your wallet, purse, or organizer. It stays hidden until you actually need it. Then it becomes surprisingly useful. Instantly. Opening packages? Use the sharp letter opener. Need quick repairs? Reach for the screwdriver. Small cleanup? Tweezers handle tiny tasks precisely. Manicures on the go? The nail file helps. And yes, it includes scissors and a pen. A pressurized ballpoint pen writes anytime, anywhere. That means one slim card replaces multiple tools. 10 functions, all packed into a sleek design. No wasted space, no unnecessary bulk. Just smart engineering for modern daily carry. Victorinox Swiss quality means precision you can trust. Durable materials keep it ready for frequent use. At only 26 grams, it feels almost weightless. Yet it delivers serious utility in emergencies. Travelers love its discreet, space-saving profile. Urban professionals appreciate its practical everyday convenience. Gift shoppers will love its premium presentation. It's thoughtful, functional, and universally appreciated. From office fixes to travel moments, it adapts. From purses to glove compartments, it fits everywhere. This is usefulness upgraded into one elegant card. Keep it close and stay prepared effortlessly. Choose compact confidence with Victorinox Swiss Card Classic. Upgrade your everyday carry today. That wraps up our list of the best minimalist EDC essentials and pocket tools for beginners in 2026. From compact organizers and reliable writing tools to emergency gear and everyday accessories, each item proves that carrying less doesn't mean giving up capability. The key to a great EDC setup is choosing gear that fits your daily routine and solves real problems without weighing you down. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking to build a smarter, more practical, everyday carry setup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.